babes, welcome to Tiny Glams, where I create beautiful makeup looks. And today we're going to be creating this beautiful Pinterest squiggly eye look. And as y'all can see, I'm using my Nikita Dragon palette and also my Sephora Collection concealer as a base for my eyelids. Right here, I am taking that purple shade and we're going to make the squiggly outwards. So I'm going to bring it outwards towards my eyebrow, and then we're going to bring it downwards. And you're just going to want to follow the path of a squiggle line. Now I am going to do the other eye. I'm only showing y'all a little part of this, and then I'm going to do the remaining off camera. And as y'all can see, I'm doing the same exact technique where I am creating the squiggly line, going upwards and then going outwards towards my eyebrow. And right here, I'm taking this pink shade. It's a very bright Barbie pink. And I'm going to put that right under the purple. And I'm not going to talk through this part. I'm just going to let y'all see it. So remember, the pink goes under the purple. If you're doing this look for like a fun special occasion. I'm taking this yellow shade from another palette and I'm going to place that right under my pink. So as y'all can see, going outwards at the top, I'm placing it under the pink, but then I'm going to kind of guide that around the bottom of that pink, and then we're gonna place it right in the middle too. And now we're going to take these super cute crystal gems. And as y'all can see, your girl's excited because one thing about me is I love like anything that's shiny and pink. So I'm only going to show y'all a few sections of me putting on these gems. But as y'all can see, your girl was kind of struggling a little bit because I'm right in that mirror. You're just going to want to place your glue, and then after that, put the gems right on top. And then we're going in with my lashes. Now we're using the Sephora Collection concealer. I believe this is shade 35 Neutral. And I'm gonna spot correct. I'm gonna put that all on my cheeks and in my forehead and a little bit down my nose. And then we're gonna blend that out with my brush from Shop Miss A. This brush was only $1 and I got it from the mall. I decided to go in with a brighter shade. This one is about 2 shades lighter than the previous one. And this may be shade 33 neutral. But after that, I blended it all out. And then we're going to set everything with my Kosas powder. I'm using my Juvia's Place bronzer, and I'm going to put that down my nose just to carve it in, and then we're going to put that on our cheeks. And after that, I'm going to add my Ambivert Cosmetics Dear Diary blush. We're going in with my Ambivert Cosmetics Secure Buttercream and then also the Secure Lip Liner. And I'm just gonna overline my lips and put that pink color in the center. And this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel and also check out my business. I'm going to link it in my bio. Thank you so much.